Would you like to know how I made this into this? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it with Photoshop Elements. Hi, I'm Monique and welcome to my channel, and if this is your first time here, then please consider subscribing. And to all my new and current subscribers, thank you very much. Well, with the new year, I decided I need a new logo. I looked. I couldn't find what I wanted, but then I did. I found this awesome picture. I was like, oh my god, it's beautiful. But it was supposed to have been a vector. Hello? Vector? Really? So I had a little work to do. But earlier I discovered a way to remove items from a picture in Photoshop. So that's what I'm going to show you. An easy one with one of my headers. So the first thing that I need to do is to make a copy of this. Duplicate layer. Yes. Okay, now you see I have two. This one's locked. I will turn this one off. Now, let's go to Magic Wand tool, and I'm going to click it. Now what it does is select all around there. Now to get rid of this, I can either go to edit and hit delete, or do it the easy way, and I am on a PC and not a Mac. I will hit Control X. I believe on a Mac it is Command X. Don't hold me to it. I'm not sure. But just like that, this is now a vector, which is what I need for my header. Now if I want to make sure I've got it all, what I typically do is go ahead and get a background, any old background. It does make a difference. For me, I like the brighter the better. Let's go bright. Okay. Yes, now it's covering it, so I will grab this one and move it up higher. Now, I can look at it and see that all the white is gone. Now, you might see just a little bit up there, but once it's in the book, you really won't see it. So, me with my OCD, you know, I would go back and clean it up even more. But just to show you the easy way to do this, to make a quick vector if you ever need one. Now I'm going to show you the one that I did for my logo. This is the picture that I will be using to update my logo. I saw this, fell in love with it. I'm like, yes, this is what I am about. So, just as before, I'm going to duplicate this layer because I need to. Don't ask me why, but I need to. I will turn off the original. Now, I've already put in the color that I want to use, which is this nice hot pink, but it's covering it, so we will move it up. This is the fun part. This will take time, and I will show you why, because all of this I have to work in. So let me show you. Okay, the white background is gone and the hot pink is coming through. And that's what's going to happen to all the rest of this. I will sit here and just click and remove throughout this whole thing. Now, if you are on some type of deadline, yeah, you don't want to do something like this. This might be something that you might want to hire out. For me, this is what I do towards the end of my day. And there you go, it is finished. When I get ready to save it, I will turn off the pink and it will be a vector. It was a lot. That was basically roughly 6 hours. I worked on it maybe an hour during the week, and I like how it looks now, and I cannot wait to start adding this to my publications. Oh yeah, because I love it. It's gorgeous. Yep, this is the kind of thing I do when I'm not writing. I need a little downtime, but I still want to be creative. I try to learn something new. And that is it for this video. And speaking of new, I'm going to try and do this using GIMP. Yes, GIMP is free, but I like Photoshop, but I can't afford to put it on my computer. So next week it'll be GIMP.